Good evening and welcome to another sunny Friday at the allotment. We've had rain, we've had showers, but now as you can see the sun is out and it's shining brightly. And that is a metaphor to our lives. After a long week, whether it's work or personal things in your life, the sun comes out and it shines again. So I'm just sitting here and I'm listening to the birdsong. It's such a wonderful sound. At this time of the year, it's at its maximum. Everyone's come back to roost and nest, and spring is truly unfolding. We've had a bit of a rainy spring so far, but I think high spring looms where the sun shines and the days are endlessly warm and everything flourishes. Flowers, trees, everything that is on the way. So enjoy nature. Namaste.